Property restoration, primarily from flood, fire, wind, storms in general, but we also do general contracting and certain things like asbestos abatement, lead abatement, mold abatement, and other emergency services such as trauma scene cleanup and similar things. We have the fire line, which helps clean items that have been in a fire, and we also have the Asporta wash system, which can clean clothing and anything that is even as worse as being soaked in sewage. But one of the primary focuses that some other restoration companies utilize the Asporta for, which we haven't really tagged that market yet here, is hockey equipment. You can clean hockey equipment and it'll come out smelling fresh and clean. We wanted to focus on being community-minded, community-oriented, and have a presence in the city. So we moved to 570 Grand Ave, renovated a building that was for sale for many years. It was a square block structure, which we retained the existing structure and built around it for our needs. Even though we're not a retail business per se, we wanted that public awareness. Yeah, we're a strong supporter of Festival of Giving. And things that we've done recently are, for example, the Mental Health Network of Chatham-Kent moved to Raleigh Street, and they needed help bringing the house into conditions where the city would grant them the right to move in there. When we first started, I think we had about roughly 15, 16 employees. Now we kind of sit between the 20 to 23 employees, but yeah, next week we have 4 more coming on, so we'll be roughly 25 employees all the time. We try to keep an open door policy for our staff, and we try to be more of a friend than a boss, but there's always that fine line that we have to keep prevalent, because sometimes being a friend is difficult, being a boss as well. We're about fair business for fair pay, and we treat our staff the same way as we would want to be treated, and I think fairness is the key in our desire to do work.